Okay. So yesterday we are discussing about reports, right, madam? What is report, Malasri?
Yes.
What is report?
Report is a structured way. It will display the data in a tabular form, sir.
Okay.
And we have a four types of reports. One is a tabular report and summary report, matrix report, and joint reports, sir.
Okay.
In tabular report is nothing but a simple data table with grand total and without grouping and summarization, sir.
Hmm.
Summary report, a simple data, simple data table. We can summarize the data from row level.
Okay.
And matrix, group the records by both rows and columns, sir.
Okay. Good. సో వంగా చెప్తున్నావు ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటున్నావు నోట్స్ చూసుకొని చెప్తున్నావు
లేదు సార్, మీరు చెప్పింది అది ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పారు కదా సార్, అది సార్ చెప్పినది నేను.
అవునా అంటే వంగా చెప్తున్నావు కదా ఎక్కడ చూసి చెప్తున్నావు అంటున్నావు
లేదు సార్.
ఓకే వంగా చెప్తే పర్లేదు బాగా చెప్తున్నావు ఇంతకు ముందు పోలిస్తే ఓకే ఓకే
సార్,
యా చెప్పు
అదే సార్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఉంది కదా సార్ మాది.
ఏ టాపిక్ టాపిక్
ఫీల్డ్
ఏది
హిస్టరీ
మరి
సార్, ఫీల్డ్ హిస్టరీ ట్రాకింగ్ సార్.
ఓకే సో ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాను రిపోర్ట్స్ దాని తర్వాత చెప్దాం ఓకేనా
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే Okay. So yesterday we discussed about reports, right? So report is nothing but a collection of data just we are displaying in the table format. Okay. So we have four types: tabular, summary, matrix. Yesterday already we discussed all these things. Today we'll discuss about giant report. Okay. So this is completely different report, sir. Okay. So giant report is nothing but here also we are showing data, but previously what happened in these reports we can show only particular object data, right? For example, if you observe in these two reports we have shown opportunity object data only. In this case we have shown the account object. In case, for example, okay, in a single report, okay, in a single report, if you want to display multiple objects data, okay, multiple objects data, then we can use a join report. Okay, even though there is no connection from one object to other object, but if you want to display like a multiple 5 objects data in one report, then we can go for giant report. Okay, so for example, we'll go to the report tab, but this is not that much useful normally, but it is the interview perspective. There someone will ask, right? Click on new report. Okay, for example, okay, select any one object first. I'll select the all reports, all report types here. So first I'll select the account object, or I'll select first the campaign object, whatever you want. First I'll select the campaign object. Click start report. So now you can see in this block we are going to display campaign data. So how we can add the fields here? Some more fields if you want to add. Directly can select, for example, campaign name is there. So campaign start date, you can select refresh. Right? You can select here also campaign end date. Here also you can select. So multiple ways you can just select. I think it should drag and drop it work, but it's not working. Yeah, I'll try now. Yeah, you can drag and drop from here to here also. This option also you can use. This option also you can use to add the fields to the report builder canvas. Okay. So for example, what is this? Campaign details. So I'll add a campaign name first. Then I'll add a start date. Then I'll add end date. then active. So this is a report. Okay. So similarly, if I want display leads object information also. Here also you can set the filters. If you go to the my active campaigns or all campaigns, which data you want? I want all campaigns. Apply. So now you can see all the campaigns in the organization here. Here. Okay. Now this is which report? If I click on that, this is which report?
Campaign reports.
Campaign report. So I'm asking tabular, summary, matrix, which one?
Tabular, sir.
Tabular, correct. Okay. So because just we are displaying data with some grand total. Okay. So that is it is called a tabular report. Okay. How we can convert in case if I want to add one more report, lead object. Can I add now? Can I add lead information here? Checha. Currently we are in which object now? Currently which report type you have selected?
New
Campaign
campaign.
report.
New
Campaign
campaign
report
report.
type. Yeah. Campaign report we selected report type. So we can add only campaign object only. For example, if I want a lead object, how we can add?
You have to go for the lead.
Okay, yeah, how we can add lead object?
Columns.
Yeah, add sir, lead columns. There is any connection, right? Here, you cannot add like that. So it is you can add only one field actually. That's it. Leads in campaign, all these things. I want to show like lead first name, last name, all those things. How we can
Okay.
add? No, we cannot add because in a single report we can add only one object here. One object and selected objects only. So if you want to add one more report type, here you have to choose giant report. You have to click the report. You have to add the giant report. Click apply. Okay. So now click refresh. So now once you click select the giant report here you can see one button. What is the button showing here?
Add block.
Add block. So this is one block, campaign block. You can click add block. It will display one more block. So here, which object you want to display? Select all the reports. Which object? Leads. Or leads with converted lead information. Whatever you want, you can use. Okay. Click add block. Okay, just refresh. Now you can see this is a lead data. But this, I think we don't have any converted leads here. So we'll do one thing. This is campaign block. This is lead block. Select this lead block. Okay. For this, go to the filters. Instead of my leads, I'll select all the leads in the organization. So at least we can get some data. Apply. Okay. Here activity date also I'll choose created date all time. All time ante first nunchi whenever the org is created, that time onwards I want to see all the records. Now you can see at least some records now. Some leads you can see. Right? These things. Okay. All this. This is lead report. Even in this lead report, I don't want this field. Remove column. Refresh. Okay, like this. So what are the fields you want? You can add or you can remove it. Right? This is one more block, lead block. Okay. So here also you can choose which fields you want, which fields you don't want. You can select, remove whatever you want. Okay. So for example, I can choose close date, remove created date. I don't want the last modified date. Don't want lead owner. I don't want Apache account. I don't want Apache close date. I don't. So all these fields I don't want. Just I want this basic fields. Refresh. Now you can see two blocks. One is a campaign block. One is a lead block. Okay. In case if you want to add other objects information, example cases or account object, what we can do now? How we can add objects account data here? Any guess? How we can add? Again, same. Click add block, all reports. Which one you want to use? Which object? Accounts, add block. So here you can see one more add account block, right? If you refresh, now you can see account block also. If you just go to the right side, so this is account block, but we are not seeing any records because of some filters. So select this one, account, go to the filters. So instead of my accounts, I'll select all accounts. Created date also, I'll choose all time so that we can get some data. Click apply. Refresh. See, now accounts also. In case if you want to add opportunity object also, how we can add? Add block, all reports, opportunity. You can see opportunity with products. What is the meaning of opportunity with products? Any guess? Anyone? What is the meaning of opportunity with products?
Products with products information.
Yeah, opportunities which is having products, madam, right? It will display only opportunities which is having products, right? For sometimes if you create opportunity, you cannot add products. Yes or no? Man products add చేస్తేనే కదా యాడ్ అయ్యేది. Otherwise it will add? No, right? So we have two opportunities. One is opportunity with product, without products also, right? So if you choose this option, what will happen is it will display only opportunities having products data with the related list. That data only it will show. Okay. So if you want to set this one also, you can select. Or if you want to set opportunity also, fine. Add block. You can see opportunity block here, all opportunities. You can choose whatever you want. Condition. I'll go with all the opportunities I want, all time. Apply. Okay. Click. You can add one more block. Example cases. So how many objects we are adding now, till now? How many blocks we have added? Any adjacent, sir? Till now? How many blocks we have added till now? Campaign, lead, account, opportunity, cases. So can we add one more block now? కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు ఆప్షన్ ఇది? Can we add one more block?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So in the joined report, we can add how many blocks maximum? 5 blocks.
5.
So 5 blocks means what? You can add 5 different reports data in the one report. 5 different report types you can use in the single report. Understand, sir? అర్థమైందా? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But generally we cannot use this type of report because not required. We can create individual reports only. But Salesforce is giving this option also. In case if you want to show multiple objects data at one report, one place, you can use the join report. So campaign block, you can see this is a lead, this is account, opportunities, and cases like this. Right? So this is joint report, but normally we cannot use this one, but I'm just saying. Joint report is nothing but what? You can add a multiple objects data in a single report. That is nothing but a joint report. Okay, man. So most of the cases we can use only summary matrix. Okay. Or sometimes tabular, simple for simple reports. Okay. So this is all about reports. So if you want to create report, what is source? Important reports create challenge. What we are selecting first? If you want to create report, what is the first thing we need to select?
Report type, sir.
Report type. What is report type?
Report type means which field we can select, sir.
Which fields we are going to use in a reports. We want to display, we want to use in the report. Okay. So whatever till now we have seen, those are all like a standard report types. If you click a new report button here, right? So whatever you can see here, right? All these things are nothing but which category? Which reports type? Which report type? All these things?
Standard.
Standard only. Okay. For example, in case if you want to create a new report, for example, your requirement is like this. So I want to create a report like this, madam. Custom report type example. What is the report type? Account. Okay. With opportunities. Okay. Then products. Like that, I want to combine multiple objects. Account with opportunities with products. All these things. So how we can do these things? Because by default, this functionality is not there. Account with opportunity with products. Anything is there? And then we got live on reports. You can check here. These are all category. This is all means you can see all the report types. Account and contact means you can see only account related report types, standard report type. Apostles related report type like this. Other means completely any custom objects we have, right? For that custom objects, you can see here how hidden report types. Not sure. Sir, manku ఏదైనా report ఉన్నట్ల account with opportunity with products. Anything is there?
No, sir.
No. So what we have to do now? We have to create a custom report type. Madam. Something is not possible. We have to create a custom report type. How we can create? Click setup. So you can see a report type. Report types. Not displaying. Why not working? So Kusuma madam, why you joined late, madam? Join now. Kusuma Suma. Emrata.
Already.
మీరు లేట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యారు కదా మేడం
5 minutes late అయింది సార్ నెట్వర్క్.
ఓకే సో 7:45 అంటే 7:45 జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి మేడం ఓకేనా ఇది ఎందుకు ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు దేవుడా సెటప్ రిపోర్ట్ టైప్ sometimes it's not working. I'll do one thing. Maybe I'll switch to classic. I'll try. Not working. But you can try in Lightning only. But I think we have some issues there in the class. Yeah, that's amazing. So both the places it is same. There is not different. So here also, there also you can see. So what is the report type? What is the report type? So you can combine like which fields you want to use in your report. That all those fields selection, which fields you need to default display in the reports. For example, if I go to the reports, if I click a new report. So for example, I can just select any one object, example account, click start report. So you can see some fields automatically coming here, right? For example, there are so many fields in the account object. We have so many fields in the account object. So why only these fields are selected here by default in the canvas? Because of report type. Okay. In the report type, these field checkboxes are checked default. So that's why these fields are coming automatically here. Okay. So similarly, we can create our own report type. Click continue. Okay. I'll click on new custom report type. So what is the first requirement? And requirement enti? Main object is which one?
Account with opportunity.
Account.
Okay.
Account.
So here primary object is which one? Account.
Accounts.
So I can give a report type label. Account custom report type. Otherwise, you can give account with opportunities with products, whatever you want. So where you want to store this in category. So I can store in account category, account and contact. So we have category right here. We go to the back. So these are all categories. We click on reports. We click on new report. So these are all categories. Where you want to store your report, I want to store in this category, in this group. So that's why I'm giving account and contacts category. So you can choose anyone in deployment or deployed, whatever it may be. You can find. Click next. So here we have set primary object is account. So next second object is which object we have to select? Which object?
Opportunity.
Opportunity. So here you can see two radio buttons. What is the meaning of this one, madam? Each A record must have at least one related to be required. Any guess?
Each record must be.
So here A means account, B means opportunity object. What is the meaning of each A record must have at least one related be required means?
That record need to relationship with the B record also.
No, yeah, not like that, sir. So account which should have with account is having opportunities and account ఖచ్చితంగా opportunities ఉండాల్సిందే. So we can display that accounts only. If account is having no opportunities, that account will not display in the report. Understand?
Yes.
అర్థమవుతుందా? If account is having at least one opportunity, then only it will display in the reports. That record will come in the reports. If that account is not having any opportunities, it will not come. Understand? అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the second option?
A records may or may not have related B records.
So account capacity సున్నా లేకపోయినా we are going to display both accounts. Capacity సున్నా display అవుతుంది. Even though if account don't have opportunities also, it will display in the report. Understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So based on the requirement, we can choose. Now I'll go with each A record must at least have one B record. You can choose whatever you want. Otherwise, you can set this one also fine, whatever the require based on the requirement. Okay, I'll go with this option first. Accounts with apostles. Then what is the other object we have to select? What is the requirement? Third option. Account with apostles with the
Products.
Product.
product and nothing but apostille products here. Apostille line item. Okay. So here in the first we can see primary object. In the second we can see that account child objects here. So now in the C which child objects you can see now here? Apostille child objects only you can see here, not account related, right? That. So this is the main grandparent. So grandparent ki child parents. So for this parent again, child's like this. So for apostille line item is a child object. So it will display. Okay, రావట్లేదా ఇది? Opportunity line. What are the things we have, sir? Opportunity is there, others are there, products is there. Okay. So similarly, each B record must have this one record, or I can choose the second option. Products unna lekuna, I want to display this thing. Example. So now I'm selecting 3 objects. Okay, click on save. So now you can see once you click save, this is our report type name. So this is the like condition. Accounts with at least one related opportunity. Opportunity even with or without products also we are going to display. Okay. So account we have a 59 fields. Opportunities we have a 38 fields. Products we have a 15 fields. Okay. So now if you just click edit layout, so you can see all these three objects in the layout here. Okay. So you can see something here checkbox, right? This tick mark. What is the meaning of this tick mark? For example, this is tick mark is selected, right? What will happen? If you choose this report type, then automatically account name will come like this. So just now I showed you, right? Automatically account name is coming if you set any in the canvas. For example, we click new report. If you select any one example. See, by default, these columns are coming, right? How these columns are coming by default here? Because of this checkbox. Understand, sir? Ardhamainda? For example, if I want to select other one also by default, account name and any other default thing here? Phone. I want to make this one also default. So double click this one. If you double click, it will ask default column here. Click OK. So now what will happen? If you select this report type, automatically account name, phone fields will come in the canvas. In this canvas, automatically it will come. Understand, sir? For example, rating also, I want to make it default. Double click, select this, okay. Like this. In case, for example, I don't want to use the description field. I don't want this description field in my reports. So what I can do? So here, right, the account fields you can select. Just drag and drop description. Where is description here? You can go to the next page. You can click next page. Description కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, just remove drag. Description కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, for example, leave about description. I'll remove this SLA expiration. So I'll just drag and drop here. Why it is not coming? Like this. I don't want SLA expiration. So similarly, I don't want something different field example. I don't want. So what I can do? You can just drag and remove here. So for example, this one also I don't want. So what I can do? Just like drag and drop. So what will happen? These two fields will not display in the report builder. Report builder means you can conpicture that two fields here. What are the fields you selected here? That two fields will not come here. You cannot select that fields here in your report. Which fields? SIC description, SL description, right? Okay. Similarly, you can control opportunity fields. So in the opportunity fields, by default, which is coming? Opportunity name is coming. Along with that, you want to display any other field. Example, select amount. Is there anywhere in the amount? Yeah. So double click this one. Select this default. So these two fields will come automatically. In case here also, if you don't want, you can just remove it. Whatever you don't want, just for example, I don't want, you can just select here. You can remove it, whatever the fields you don't want. So similarly, products. In the products, which fields I want display by default? Product name is there. Rate, date, discount, line item, and description. Okay, for example, I can select. This is a product subject. How it will come? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, you can leave it like this only. Whatever the fields. For example, I will set this line item ID. By default, I want to display. Click OK. So that's it. So you can see right now. So not in page layout. These fields are not in page layout. If you see this color, that means not in page layout. So this, if you see this color, you can use in the page layout, right? If you want to select anything, just you can highlight this one like the selected. Default column is if you see this checkbox default column, this is via lookup field that you can ignore now, not required. Just click on save. Okay. So now we can go to the report builder. We can see or not. Where we have that report type, custom report type we have created. In which category? A category answer. Accounts and contacts. What is the name? This is the custom report type. You can see all are standard. This is custom. Select this one. Click start report. So now you can see data also. Right? So why these fields are coming, sir? Account, phone number coming. These fields are rating also account. Amount opportunities belongs to the opportunity object. This is product object. Everyone is following? Why only these fields are coming here? In the key fields remaining fields already.
Because we are selecting account.
Selected different.
Default check boxes, right? మనం ఏవైతే చెక్ చేసాం default check box, that fields only by default will come. Account name, phone rating. So that's why you can say account name, phone rating. So can we add a description field here now? I want to add description, account description here. I think SLA expiration something. Can we add SLA expiration here? Why it is not showing SLA expiration field here? Why
We
sir?
are
Not
Remove.
showing in page layout.
So that SLA expiration we have removed from the this layout properties. If you go to the next page, so SLA expiration, XSA description, these two fields will not come because of we have removed in the report type. See, you cannot see SSA description also. Understand, sir? These two fields will not come. So like this, we can create our own report type. We can do. In case if you want to add any other fields, you can add it. Again, normal. You can add directly such example. You can click account site if you want to add it. You can add it normally. Understand, sir? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, you can see. Okay, we can create our own report type also based on the requirement. This is a custom report type. Okay. Okay. So I don't want anything. Just click a discard. I want to show you one more thing. I'll open existing summary report. This one, I'll click edit. Okay, so this is like this, right? So we are doing group by here. Okay, if you go to the filters, all opportunities with creators, group columns, here you can see. Okay, remove all columns, add row level formula, add summary formula, add bucket formula. Something we have called class subject, add class filters. Any guess what is the meaning of add class filters? Okay, so currently we are using which object here? Opportunity object, all right? So add class filters means it is like a same, just now we discussed it, right? Opportunities with product, without product, something like that you want to build. So what is the meaning of opportunities with activities means anything? So opportunities which is having task event, right? That opportunity only will come. For example, opportunities with course. The meaning answer? If I click apply. Hello, madams. కనిపిస్తుందా మా స్క్రీన్?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
మరి
sir.
ఎందుకు మేడం ఇంకా ఉగాది ఎప్పుడు మేడం? సండే కదా, మీరు ఈరోజే స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అందరు మౌనవ్రతం. సండే ఫెస్టివల్ ఈరోజు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు మేడం. ఏం అర్థమైంది చెప్పండి మేడం, ఏంటి కండిషన్ ఇది? అపార్చునిటీస్ విత్ కోర్స్ అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్?
Opportunity is related to core.
Tell me, sir, anyone? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి. What is the meaning of if I select this class filter, what will happen if I click this apply?
Our report related with opportunity codes only.
Codes, sir, or opportunity with codes, like.
అంటే opportunities which is having codes. If there is no code for opportunity, it will not come. Understand?
Yes, sir.
If we click apply, just refresh the page, you can see now few opportunities, only very limited. Only one opportunity is having with the course. అందుకని ఒకటే వస్తుంది సార్. For example, you can select other option also. Opportunities without course. దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సార్?
We will get only opportunities. We don't get quotations.
We are going to
Except
create opportunities which
we can see
don't have a course.
course.
కోర్స్ లేకుండా ఉండే ఆపర్చునిటీస్ మొత్తం వస్తాయి సార్ మనకు. అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్?
Yes.
ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ 2 ఫిల్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందుకనే ప్రాబ్లం. ఐ యూజ్ ద ఫస్ట్, ఐ రిమూవ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ ఫిల్టర్, ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఫిల్టర్. క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్. సో నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ having కోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వీటికి కోర్స్?
No, sir.
నో సార్. అండర్స్టాండ్? అర్థమైందా? సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ క్లాస్ ఫిల్టర్ సార్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూజ్ సంథింగ్ క్లాస్ ఫిల్టర్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్. ఓకే. So in case if you want to add any chart to this report here only, you can just click add chart. You can see which chart you want to use. Refresh. So like this, you can add a chart for your report. So here this one also you can change. I think we have a different of charts. So this is bar chart, right? Similarly, we have funnel chart. Nothing but how you want to display this, all these things, right? You can use whatever you want. Show values. If you click show values, it will show like how many shows of percentages, start report charts, all these things, right? You can see how many percentage we have prospecting. How many percentage, sir? 5%. Here you can say 55% of closed won opportunities. All these things also we can do here like this. We can add this. Click run. So like this you can see a simple report with some chart. Normal, this is nothing but a dashboard, sir. Okay, click save. So here you can see there is something called export. In case if you want to export this report into the Excel format also, it can possible. Just you can click export. So you want which one, Excel format or CSV format? Both options you can choose here. This is like a formatted report, means export the report including the report headers, groupings, and ఇంకా ఇక్కడ స్టైల్స్ ఎలా ఉంటే అలాగే వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్. ఎలా ఇక్కడ స్టైల్స్ ఎలా ఉంటే you'll get the same styles. Click export. Right now, if you click on this Excel sheet, so whatever the like grouping, all those things will come in this formatted like this. See, filter by, all those things will come. Data exactly however it is there in our sheet, in our report, same thing will come. Styles also, background colors also you can see. So there is one more option. If you click export without formatting, if you want only a simple Excel sheet with the data only, like this data, I don't want like a filtered, all those things, then you can this details only. Here you can choose Excel format, CSV format also, whatever you want. I will go with a simple Excel format, click export. So in this Excel sheet, you will get simple data. There is no like this grouping, all will not display. See, it is just normal Excel sheet. You can see data like this. So we can export our reports also based on the requirement. Otherwise, we can subscribe. If you click subscribe here, for example, every month you want, every month first something, when relative first Monday, specific date. For example, every month first, okay, I want to receive message like with the latest data also you can send. Attach for them. So I'm using this format. So whom you want to send every month first, to you or any other person. For example, I want to send every month to Rohit Sharma. He is my manager. So I want to send data to Rohit Sharma every month first. In case any new opportunity is added, anything. So every month he will get a automatically email like this. If you want any conditions to the report, you can add it, but I don't want any condition. Just leave it. So this report, if you click say, what will happen? Every month first automatically this Rohit Sharma will get this report information. Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా? You can subscribe that option also there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining sales areas clear. Delete and dashboard. Okay. So before going to dashboard, you will discuss one more topic is there. That is also important in the interview. For example, I'll take simple tabular report only. Okay. So click edit. Okay. So what's the filters? I'll remove all the filters. I don't want any filters now. Refresh. Okay. So this is the opportunity, sir. So now what is my requirement is, okay, for example, you can say amount field, right? So if amount is below 50,000, I mean 1 rupee to 50,000, so I want to divide that opportunity nothing but a silver opportunities. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏంటి కండిషన్ ఏంటి సార్? మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి? అమౌంట్ ఎంత సార్? 1 to 50K బిలో ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి సార్ మనము? We need to treat like those are
Silver
like
opportunity.
silver opportunities. Okay. So if amount is 50 to 1 lakh below, so what I have to do, sir?
Gold opportunity.
Gold opportunities. More than 1 lakh. ఏం చేయాలి? Make it like a platinum, madam. So tell me how we can achieve this one now. ఎలా సార్? ఎలా? How we can do that thing here?
Sort it out, sir.
Which one, madam? ఇక్కడ
Amount.
start ascending.
Small to big.
Okay, madam. I've done now.
And then
But
group.
by, okay. This one?
Yes, sir.
If you do this one, what will happen, madam? So it will show amount 15,000, all amount. If is there any opportunities with 15,000, it will come like a one group, correct? So 35,000, like that group will come. But where we can see?
Correct.
So here there is something called, what is the option, madam, here?
Bucket this column.
Correct. So we can use a bucket this column. So amount field. So what I can decide bucket name I can give customer type. Okay, madam. Customer type. So first enter number. Okay. And madam, first below 50,000, right? So what I want to do? What is the name I want to give?
Silver.
Silver. Okay. So more than 50,000, below
1 lakh.
1 lakh. M child, madam?
Gold.
Bucket name gold. So ఇంకా more than 1 lakh ఉంటే
Platinum.
platinum కదా. Okay. So platinum. Okay, madam. So like this. So we can use this type of thing, bucket fields using. So normally what you can create some report, create new custom field also in an object level. So at the time of creating object, you can update that field, but that is unnecessary work, correct? We don't want that field in the UI also. Just for reporting purpose, you want to categorize, we can use the bucket field. Okay. Okay, then click apply. Just refresh. Okay, madam. So now if you just drag and drop this field here, refresh, click run. Now you can identify, right, madam, by seeing amount. Yes or no? 15,000. Which customer?
Silver customer.
21,000 silver. 36,000. 36 lakhs.
Gold.
Sir, above 50,000.
1000, sir.
Madam, this is 36,000, right? Why it should also come silver only, right? Why it is coming? Click edit. Go to that field again. Edit bucket column. So below 50,000 unte silver, right, madam? So here more than below 50.
More than 50.
It is more than 50.
50.
So ikkada more than 1 lakh.
Sir,
But
more than is equal to. More than is equal to ఉండాలనుకుంటా.
అలా ఏం లేదు 35,000 అంటే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేక మేడం.
పైన 50,000 దగ్గర అదే ఉంది కదా సార్.
ఏముంది మేడం ఈక్వల్ టు సంబంధం లేదు దానికి అయినా ఒకటే. ఇది బై డిఫాల్ట్ కమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ only. It is not we are it's just by default is coming.
Okay.
Okay, so silver more than 50 and below 1 lakh. We'll give a gold. So it is more than 1 lakh. Say one run. Okay, but 40,000, 10,000, 75,000. Why this record is coming? Sorry, this is expected revenue, madam. This is the amount main field actually.
Oh, correct, sir.
I'll remove this column for confusion. Okay, I'll just add this field. Now you can see all these are below 50,000 is coming silver. More than 50, below these are the only 1 lakh. Till 1 lakh, it is coming gold. So more than 1 lakh, you can see platinum. Understand, madam?
Yes, sir.
So this is very useful. Instead of creating new field, so directly you can create a bucket field
Bucket
in the
column.
reports. We can categorize like which type of customers those are. So this is interview question. Sometimes they will ask what's the bucket field in the Salesforce reports. Understand, sir? So you can see now clearly silver. We have 3 opportunities, gold 4, platinum 6 like this. Okay. Okay, that's it. I want to discuss. Okay. So now we have something called dashboard. What is dashboard?
So dashboard is a visual display of all the.
Yes, madam. A pictorial representation of report. Right? Whatever the report is there, so that report, so we are displaying in the image, like a representation, madam, visual display. Okay. So, but in the dashboard, we can use only summary and matrix report. We cannot use joined, we cannot use tabular. Why, madam? Why we cannot use tabular report in the this dashboard, any case? Because in the tabular report, there is no something called grouping. It is like a simple data, only grand total. So how it will work? It will not work. So when it comes to giant report, it is not one report. It is having multiple of this data, correct? So that also not work. So that's why we can use only summary and matrix. So if you go to the home page, okay, I'll switch to Lightning Experience. So go to the dashboards. So either you are in dashboard or report, whatever it may be. If you click this place also, it is opening same place, new report, new folder. If you click dashboard, okay, it is just changing the button. Okay, new dashboard here. Okay. So if you click a new dashboard, So I'll give dashboard name is sales dashboard. Okay. So where we have a report, where you want to save this dashboard? So private dashboard or public? You can choose private, shared with me, all folders. Shared with me, private dashboard. Okay. All folders I'll choose.
Folder is there.
We don't want, you can set the existing folder here. Enablement this one. So if I click private dashboards, I think it will not visible to other people. So that's why we have to use. I'll choose all folders only. I'll create new folder. Okay. Sales dashboards. Click a save. So in the sales dashboard, I want to save my this one. Okay. So which report you want to use here? First, right? We have to save the report. Okay. Edit. Sort our table. So which report, sir? I will take this summary report. Set this report. Click select. So which one you want to use this for? This way we have different dashboards, right? So this is like a horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart. So you can see all these things, different funnel chart, right? This is simple table. This is a pie chart, something donut chart, all those things. Whatever you want, you can use. For example, I'll take this one only or this one. I'll take this one. Okay. So choose this one, and x-axis I'm using stage field. Y-axis I'm using record count. Okay. In the x-axis I'm using this stage names. In the Y you can see the count of records. Okay. So shorten number show values. Okay. And the remaining things are not fine now. Start by stage only. Record count. So now you can see at least in a proper order if I just record count. So maximum groups displayed, fine. Summary report. Color, which color you want to use? This is a light color. If you want to use some dark, you can use this one like this, whatever you want. I'll go with the light only. Click add. So like this. In case if you want to modify again, you can just click edit. You can modify, change whatever you want. Do all those changes you can see. Okay. Okay. Click update. Right. So similarly, in case if you want to display same dashboard in other way, like a funnel chart, click widget, chart or table. I'll select the same report again, summary report. Which one? Where is that summary report? This one. Select this one. So same report, I want to use a funnel for this chart like this. So percentage also, I don't want percentage. I can see the count. And sort by record count. Okay. So maximum values displayed here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we increase? Yeah, I think maximum we can increase, decrease, whatever I want. I think stage name we have how many values? So maximum 8 or 9, I think. So I'll go with the 9. So we have 9 stages here. So that's why I'm choosing a 9 maximum values displayed here. Okay. So that's it. Remaining whatever I can choose this one. Okay. So I can put this one like this. Okay. So this is the same report, summary report. So this is like a, I think, vertical bar chart. This is like a funnel chart. So here you can see all the information which stage is having. For example, you click here. So we have a stage closed one, count 19. So all these things also you can see for each stage what is the color we have applied, all these things. In case if you want to add one more thing, you can add a chart table. I'll select a summary report. Select. So which one you want to choose? I'll choose this do not chart. Add. But here also we have to choose that number again. I'll choose the record count. I will, because we have 9 stages. So we have to choose the 9 maximum values displayed here. Okay. Listen position, right, bottom. So bottom is this, you can see these things are coming here. If I click right, so this files will come right side like this. So whatever you want, you can use. You can measure the bottom. Okay. Yeah. So you can just drive. Okay. So now you can click save. So sales dashboard. So I will save where you want to save. I already have chosen this place, right? Click cancel. Okay. So this is like dashboard. Okay, for our report. I think for this we have some settings. This dashboard is owned by Varaprasad. It is in this folder. So view dashboard as me. So what is the meaning of view dashboard as me? Is, for example, now I am logged in, right? So whatever the records we are seeing, right? All these things, how I am displaying, right? Data. So even if like Suma logged in, Hemlata logged in, so they can see same data. Okay. For example, another person, if you choose, whatever I'm seeing, which records I'm seeing, same records, other people also can see if they will open this dashboard. If you choose another person, instead of Varaprasad, I can choose. For example, I want to see, like this data should be displayed based on the Ravi Sharma. Then you can choose this option. Okay. So by default, I'll go with me only now. Okay. Remaining things, I can just leave as it is. Click save. Okay. So done. Okay. You can see our dashboard, how it looks like. Okay. What's the refresh button? Any guess? For example, how many records we have now total here? Any records necessary total? Opportunities?
32 records.
32 records. So if you go and create one more opportunity now, what will happen?
It
That
will
data will
update,
come.
sir.
It will not update directly. So we have to click a refresh
Refresh
button.
button.
Okay, otherwise it won't. Just will create one button and the opportunity will see. Test OPP. Just click a save. So now if you see 37 now we have now. So it will not display, right? In case if you want to see latest data, even in this page, you can refresh. In Kapast create only. So generally to get the latest data, we can use this refresh button. Now you can see 33 data. Okay. So in case if you want to use this dashboard in your page, lightning page, how we can add? For example, we have created one page, right? Last time. What's the page, madam? My app page, right? Or any lightning page, home page, record page, wherever you want, you can add it. So how we can add it? For example, I want to add that dashboard here in the home page. What you can do? Click edit page.
Edit page.
If you click edit page, what will happen? It will navigate to the where? Lightning App Builder. So here you can see all the standard components. So here you can see dashboard, right? I'll just click a dashboard here. So by default, it is taking my dashboard, only sales dashboard. In case it is not taking, you can select here. You can just remove, you can select it. So now you can see it. You can see, right? It will display. I think not only dashboards, even if you want to add reports also, I think you can add it. So here, summary report, I'll take example. So like this. For one report, we have added the chart, right? So that's why it is coming like this. So you can add reports dashboard in the home page. You can click save. And you can go back to the home page. So you can add not only home page. I think we have created one thing called app page, right? There also you can add your reports and dashboards. So this is a report. This is dashboard. If you just click a refresh, you will get the latest information. Even you can subscribe. If you want to get notifications, this data and all the report format, you can do that also. You can download all these things. Clear, everyone? What is report and what is dashboard? Hello? Sir, అర్థమైందా అవ్వలేదా?
Yes, sir.
So dashboard is nothing but a pictorial representation of reports, madam. Okay. But which reports we can use in dashboard? Only summary and matrix, not a tabular and giant report we cannot use for dashboard. Okay. So this is all about reports and dashboards, madam. Okay. Okay, Master, you can share your screen.